Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss an Ayurvedic home remedy that could regulate your sugar levels and manage your diabetic conditions. So when you are suffering with the diabetes, it is a condition where you need to struggle a lot to control your sugar levels that is released in your blood. In diabetic suffering person, they found very difficult to control their blood sugar levels. It's quite difficult to manage their sugar levels and keep it on a normal. Some home remedies like some Ayurvedic or some home remedies that can help you to regulate the sugar levels and manage the diabetic conditions. Only these remedies would not help you more. It is a core system of like you have to work together with managing your diet, managing your physical activity, managing your medication, and when you bring this all together and work on it, so this can help you in regulating the sugar levels and manage your diabetic conditions. So some of the in Ayurvedic or ancient times, there are so many herbs and spices that could help you with the sugar levels regulation. So there are some spices and there are some seeds and there are some leaves that could help you in regulating the sugar levels by adding them to the diet or following this as a home remedy. They could help you in managing the sugar levels. So in this video, we are going to see a drink that could help you in regulate the sugar levels and also manage your diabetic conditions and also manage your weight and keep your digestive system proper and keep your gut system proper. This also helps you in managing the digestion issues like constipation or any digestion issues like acidity, gas and all. When your digestive system is great, that helps you regulate your sugar levels. So let's get into the remedy faster. For this, you need to take 1 cup of fenugreek seeds and 1 cup of cumin seeds. Mix together, add it to the pan and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on a low heat frame. Just dry roast them and grind them as a fine powder and mix them and store it in a container. So how to use this spice powder? Take a saucepan and add half a teaspoon of this powder to it and boil it for 7 to 8 minutes on a medium flame and prepare a tea of it and strain it and have it. This tea has to be taken on an empty stomach. This will help you in regulating your sugar levels and manage your diabetic condition. As we can see, fenugreek is rich in antioxidants and it generates natural insulin that lowers your sugar levels and manage your diabetic conditions. And also it also helps in many other toxins related issues like it flushes out the toxins and manage your weight and also reduces and cuts down the cholesterol that is present in your body and helps in your keeping up your heart healthy as well. And also we are adding cumin seeds. Cumin seeds are very rich in antibacterial, antioxidants and antiseptic properties, and also these are very rich in curing out the digestion issues, constipation and acidity, gas and digestive issues, everything. Cumin seeds are loaded up with the lots of positive properties in it. It also generates natural insulin into the body that cues out regulates your sugar levels and also manages your diabetic conditions and also cues in digestive related issues. And when you add these both, this works miracle to manage your sugar levels. When you take this tea helps you in cutting down the and damaging the blood fats that are common in diabetic patients and also helps you in regulating the sugar levels. And this tea naturally increases your insulin production and also reduces and also cures the inflammation that is present in the cells of the pancreas where the insulin is produced. So when the inflammation is cured, your pancreas is active and they are in good position. So insulin production is also in good condition. So that how it helps in regulating the sugar levels and manage your diabetic conditions. So by drinking this tea regularly every morning on an empty stomach will help you in regulating the sugar levels and manage with your diabetic conditions. Do follow this remedy and be healthy.